Hello, once again myself Ashish Jain in front of you in recording of transaction part 2 class 11 chapter 4. In this chapter, first of all, we will study boys and girls regarding to the need of special purpose books, recording of transaction in cash book and then post them in the ledger. Prepare the petty cash book we will also study. So first of all, we will study what are the need of special purpose books. First, we will study about the cash book, purchase return book, sales return book, and journal proper. These the 6 points we will discuss in this topic. So first of all, what is cash book? We should know cash books cover all the transaction relating to the cash receipts and cash payments. जो भी कैश की रिसिप्ट्स हैं जिनको हमें पेमेंट करना है एंड जो भी हमने कैश पेमेंट कर दिया है, डेट कम्स अंडर कैश बुक्स. इट स्टार्ट्स विद द कैश और बैंक बैलेंस at the beginning and cash or bank balance in the last as known as the closing balance. Double column cash books and triple column cash books with cash we will also study. Discount and bank column respectively. Petty cash books is prepared to record large number of transactions payment done in a time. Convey, cartage, postage, telegrams and other expense comes under cash book. Okay, next we will study purchase book. The purchase book is a record of goods and purchased returned to the supplier for various reasons like quality or any defective goods, etc. A debit note is prepared and sent to a supplier for making necessary entries for such goods. Supplier may also prepare a credit note also in the purchase book. After then comes the purchase return book. So purchase return books, in purchase return book we record the transactions of all the transactions which are purchased and then returned. Many times it's happened, some goods which are damaged, some goods which comes without prior points, some goods which are extra we used to return it. So that is the purchase return book. Then comes the sales books. Sale book is a book of recording of all the credit of sales. It is prepared with the help of sales invoice or bill issued to the firm customers. The date of sale, invoice number, name of the customer, amount is recorded in the sales journal book. Then comes the sales return book. So sales return book is issued to record sales return from the customers of credit sales. In such case, credit note is prepared and contains a detail of name of a customer, detail, goods received back and the amount which is being returned. इसके बाद आता है सेल्स रिटर्न के बाद आएगा जर्नल प्रॉपर. सो द जर्नल प्रॉपर, in the journal proper, first of all we used to maintain the journals. All the transaction related to an account should to be entered in one place. The word is used to before the accounts which is being prepared on debit side. If any account is being credited in the journal entry, the posting in the journal should to be made on the credit side of the accounts. The similar accounts has been posted on the debit side of an account should to be posted on the credit sale and on the accounts. So these are the 6 main points which we will study in first point of recording of transaction, second chapter 4 of accountancy. Thank you.